And go to feed. The feed channel's not coming up. Why is that? Yeah, I'm pissed off. Because that's the right channel. And we have to go out now and start again now, don't you? There we go. Nope. Bastards. What the hell? What the hell, honey? 418 Productions. Go to my channel. Hit the feed button. Why am I not feeding? It's fucking pissing me off now. Oh well. I'll work on it.
Were you trying to get it to come up on your phone?
My phone is my camera, and it comes up on there. Last night we had it working up here.
Oh.
When I hit the feed button, it came up here. So I'm in a quiet fire. I can take pictures and feedback live to you and talk to you. It was really cool. I don't understand. It was working so good. I was so happy. Hit 418. Hit the feed. Fuck all comes up. Fuck all. Like, nothing. Fuck all, nothing. If I go to